So guys, the bull run is officially here. I can confidently say that. We are currently sitting at Bitcoin being around $72,500 at the time of this recording. Today is a Tuesday, October 29th. And so yeah, we are gearing up for a giant run. If you've been following my channel up to this point, we've been through the highs, we've been through the lows, but we're starting to now see the highs where I believe we're going to go up only from here, which is crazy, right? It's crazy to talk about, but this is going to be an update on the base chain, guys, because this is a channel where we kind of talk about, the new trends in the crypto markets and the new trend, the new narrative that I believe is going to be the biggest this cycle is the base narrative. And again, the coins that I myself am in the base narrative are Aerodrome Finance and Moonwell. And if you look, we literally documented me talking about Moonwell when it was at 3 cents. It's at 10 cents now. So we've been talking about this for, a long time. And we've talked about Aerodrome. I've been in Aerodrome since early this year. So I'm genuinely excited to see what happens with this crypto market and with the base chain, the base network. And again, I think looking at things now, by the end of November, we could see Moonwell hit 25 cents. We could see Moonwell hit 50 cents. Really depends if elections goes very well and we have a severe inflow of liquidity into the markets. We could see even numbers higher than that, or we could see Moonwell hitting like 15 cents, 20 cents, like I said. But I believe that we are going to easily see these numbers being hit. And again, looking at Aerodrome 2, Aerodrome itself, I see, right now we're currently sitting at Aerodrome being $1.30 something, kind of back to levels we were previously. I see Aerodrome pushing up to the $2.50 to maybe even $3 range come the end of November, and then we'll see what happens into December. But I believe it's conservative top for Aerodrome. And Moonwell is going to be $1 for Moonwell and $10 for Aero. But my personal targets are a max supremely bullish target for Aerodrome being $40 to $50. Remember, supremely bullish. I think from the lowest of the low, we go like $8 for Aerodrome at the top of the cycle, and I believe the max is $40 to $50. So somewhere in that range, I'm going to look to exit. Depends on how fast we hit certain numbers. And then Moonwell, if we look at Moonwell, I think realistically speaking, conservatively wise, a 50-cent price prediction for the top is conservative for this coin, which is still like it's a 5x from here. But again, those who've gotten at 3 cents, I think that's what even would that be? 50 cents. That's going to be like it's pretty high, 15x for you. I believe I could probably do the math wrong. But anyways, I say 50 cents. And then potentially at the supremely bullish case for Moonwell, supremely bullish would be anywhere from $6 to $7. So somewhere in that range, again, I'm going to be looking to exit from. Again, it will always just depend on what happens. But now that we actually have Bitcoin swinging upwards, I think we're starting our cycle now. And this is going to be one of the biggest events in the crypto history. And those of you who follow this journey, follow these videos, follow your own crypto journey, you guys are going to see some crazy things happening. This channel is going to go crazy. A lot of things are going to go crazy. And yeah, we could make some life-changing money here. Really excited to get into all of this and see what genuinely does happen with the crypto markets. I mean, literally elections are next week. So next week could be one of the craziest weeks that really kick things off for cryptocurrency. And it'll be interesting to see what happens this week. But again, guys, make sure you're staying on top of information and data and just keeping yourself educated at all times is something I try to stress on myself. Because at the end of the day, more info you have, the better educated you are going to be able to be when it comes to making smart financial decisions. And with all that being said, I will see you guys later.